Hello everyone. Welcome to today's listening and speaking practice. In this lesson, you will practice usage of adjectives. Here you will find a conversation where you will be describing a friend. Today, you are not just listening, you are actively practicing speaking. After each conversation, you will hear a beep sound. When you hear the beep, repeat and speak. Try to follow my tone, rhythm, and intonation as you speak. I am repeating the process again for you. First, listen carefully. You will hear a short description. Do not speak while listening. When you hear the beep sound, that is your turn to speak. Try to describe your friend using complete sentences. Speak clearly and confidently. Are you ready? Let's.
Hello, Sonia. How are you?
I'm fine, Lena. Thank you. How do you do?
I'm fine too. How is your new friend Maya? You said she was very friendly when you first met her.
Yes, she was. She's also really fashionable. She always wears beautiful outfits.
I noticed she looks very pretty. Her face is soft and sweet.
That's true. She is also quite elegant. Her notebooks and bags are always organized.
But my friend Tom is different. He's very ordinary. He never cares about how he looks.
But he seems quite charming. People enjoy talking to him.
Okay, bye. See you later.
Bye bye. It was nice talking to you today. See you later.
Yes, bye.